Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cooking in the County, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick Christmas popcorn. Here's a list of ingredients you'll need to make this delicious Christmas popcorn. You will definitely need white chocolate and any other candy melt chocolate colors that you would like to add to your Christmas popcorn. You'll need some sprinkles and a couple bags of microwave popcorn. Popcorn that you could make just before you watch some Christmas movies with a little hot chocolate or something. It's really fun to make, and it's obviously very yummy to eat. So the first thing I'm going to do is, because I want to use 3 different types of chocolate. Now you do not have to. You can just use one type of chocolate and be done with it. But for today I want to do 3 different types of chocolate. I want to use white chocolate, but I want to use some really good white chocolate because some of the white chocolate out there is not yummy at all. And this is the Ghirardelli white chocolate melts. So I'm going to do about a handful of that. Then I'm going to do, there's these are the red chocolate melts. These don't taste as delicious as these, but obviously they're still good. And this is the green. So we're going to do red, green, and white. I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to melt all 3 of these chocolates. And I just popped 2 bags of microwave popcorn. It doesn't really matter what kind of popcorn that you use. So 2 bags of that, 3 chocolates, and we're going to melt these all up. And I'll show you what we're going to do next. And it's going to be very quick. So before I melt the chocolate, I'm going to put my popcorn in 3 separate bowls. Because we're going to do 3 different colors. And like I said, you don't have to do 3 separate colors. I just want to for today. You can just do 1 color. Separate this up. And then I'm going to leave just some popcorn by itself, just plain. Because you want to mix that in too. Okay? So these are 3 bowls. We're going to do our 3 different chocolate colors. Okay, so our chocolate is now all melted. Just making sure. You obviously don't want to over melt it because then you'll seize it up and then it's not going to be good. So I just want to make sure this is still nice. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is the white chocolate. We'll do the middle one of white chocolate. I'm going to use a spatula. What I'm going to do is pour this onto the popcorn. And we're going to stir it up the best we can. Stir this all up. Try to get as much popcorn covered as possible. And to the white one, I like to add lots of sprinkles to it. Okay, so that's good. I'm going to add some Christmas sprinkles, especially while it's still add some sprinkles when it's still kind of wet, and so the sprinkles will stick. Okay. Okay, stir it up one more time. And then we're going to put this down on some parchment paper for it to cool. Okay. So there's the white. You can see it. I'm going to put this on the parchment paper. This is really a fun treat for the kids to bring to school for a snack. Like, I'm acting like we're not in the middle of a pandemic or anything, but eventually I'm thinking at some point in time we'll be back to normal and your kids can actually do some fun things with their friends and bring to their school. So the next one we're going to do is the green chocolate on the popcorn. Basically do the same thing. All stir it up. And you can do this for any holiday, really. I mean, for Halloween, you do the oranges and the browns and the blacks. And Christmas, obviously, the red, the greens. So now some seeds. So we're just gonna make sure the seeds do not go back in. And let's do a few sprinkles, but not too much. And put this on, like I said, while the chocolate is still warm. We'll put this on the parchment as well. Okay, and now we're gonna do the last one, the red. Same thing that we've been doing with the other two colors. Mix it up. Now this chocolate is a very sweet chocolate. White chocolate's very sweet, but the saltiness of the popcorn really helps counteract it. And really it's fun. Add some M&Ms to this, add some crushed up candy canes, add some peanuts. I mean, make this your own. Make this how you want it. But it's really fun to have a Christmas movie night, making this with your kids. Everybody gets their color and gets to do their sprinkles. Then we mix it all together and we all share it together. That's one of the funner things to do. Okay. Add some more sprinkles. Put this on the parchment. We're gonna let it cool and then we're gonna put it all together in one big bowl. Now our popcorn is all dry. And so we're gonna take it and we're just gonna kind of break it up a little bit so it's still in like pieces of like popcorn. So break that all up. Remember, we saved a little bit of our popcorn so we can have a little break of the sweetness, right? You could probably even have a little bit more than that. Even an extra bag of regular popcorn in here probably would be nice to break up all the sweetness. So all you're gonna do is take it and put it in your little Christmas bowl. A little bit at a time. Give some to the dogs. Okay, so just get it in there. Okay guys, so here is your Christmas popcorn. Enjoy it with your family, with your friends, the nice Christmas movie and some hot chocolate and a cozy blanket. Here you go, guys.